All right, Sunday evening. Got a new one, a redo for you. I've done this before, but who cares? I got an ammo comparison. What I got today is I got 3 different factory ammos and my reloads. So let's go through what I got. Starting off with 5.56 Monarch from Academy. Good stuff. We'll put, got those. Second, PMC bronze 223 Remington. Third, we got this Portuguese or whatever Scorpio, which runs good but really gassy. Then of course we got famous Ammo Alchemist reloads. These ones are featuring H335 powder. So let's go ahead and let's put 10 in each magazine. I got 8 mags, and we'll do some shooting with those. So I don't know if y'all are familiar with Monarch, but they do make a nice little bullet here. So let's get. All right, got 10 in there. Magic super fast reload. Got 1 metal one, so we'll go ahead and start loading those ones. Not gonna lie, I definitely like P mags better than the metal mags. But there we go, second mag. All right, second ammo up. That PMC bronze. Let's take a nice gander at them. So pretty good looking. Not really a crimp primer, so pretty good. And let's do the magic. 9, 10. Yeah, the PMags do kind of load a little easier, not gonna lie. Only got 1 metal. Alright, there's 10 in that one, so I got 10 and 10 with PMC bronze. Now we're gonna go for Scorpio. I actually really like the way these ones look and feel. It's just the powder that they use is very gassy. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me turn on one of the lights. A little better. All right, let's get these loaded up. All right, 9 and 10. One more for Scorpio. 9, 10. So 2 mags for Scorpio. Now the best of them all, my reload. Take a look at one. Take a gander. Yeah, they're beauties. I actually stopped swaging them so heavily. I just do it as little as possible now. 10 in the brown mag, and then go to the black. 1, 2. All right, final round of load. 10 in that one. So I got 2 mags of each, 10 loaded. So what I was planning on doing is shooting 3, 3, and 4, and then the second mag unload on this one. 3, 3, and 4 for the next kind of ammunition, and then shooting at this one. The only one we'll have to do is we'll do the bottom one on that one. So we'll go these 3, and then the second mag, these 3, and then the second mag, these 3, and then the second mag, these 3, and then this one. All right, so 3, 3, 3, 4, no, 3, 3, 4, and then 10 on the big target. All right, this time we'll start with the 5.56 Monarch rounds. We're gonna go to 15. See how we do. time. We're gonna go PMC second row, so it'll be 4, 5, and 6, and then the left side middle big target. Put that in there. And this one in the back pocket this time. All right. Right, there goes the PMC. Next is the Scorpio. Put the brown one in the gun, black one in the back pocket. So we're going 7, 8, and 9. Then the bottom left big target. So, all right, 7, 8, and 9. I don't think I did good on that one at all. I could see where they're landing. All right.
What?
And the final is my reloads with the H335. So going 10, 11, and 12, and then the big bottom target. All right. Clear. Safety is on. Check it out. Smoky. It's not as cold as in here today. So what do we do first? Was the Monarch. I got 2 hits on number 1, 1 miss. 2 hits on number 3. 3 hits on number 2. I'm sorry. 3 hits on number 2. 3 hits on number 3. 1 miss. Remember, on the third small target, we're doing 4 shots. At least that's what the idea was. Big target here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No misses. I had 3 shots in the red. All right, going on to the second row. Damn, I did pretty good with those. PMC bronze. 2. Number 4, we got 2 hits. Number 5, 3 hits. Number 6, 4 hits. Nice. And then the big target, it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 1 miss on the big target. So 2 misses total on the second row. Third was the Scorpio. I felt like these ones are flying. They were actually, it could just be me, but I felt like all of them were going up to the left, and that's what it looked like here. And I think I miscounted on either this row or one of the other. Yeah, it was this row. So we got no hits on number 7, 1 hit on number 8, 3 hits right next to each other on number 9. I kind of tend to think that maybe that might have been the ammo. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hits on the big target. Looks like we got 1 miss. All right, moving on to my reloads. 2 hits on number 10, 2 hits on number 11, 2 hits on number 12. Looks like I didn't miss at all with my reloads on the big target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, got one miss. So, in my opinion, I liked the Monarch. This is how I'm gonna rank them. Monarch, my reloads and PMC tied for second, and then Scorpio third or fourth, however you want to look at it. Yeah, there you go.